People have been telling me that your eyes should be looking at where the camera is, and I have this habit where I look in the middle, and it's a little bit disconcerting because the whole idea is for you to connect with your audience. And eye contact is really important. It shows confidence, it shows that what you're talking about. And some people wear sunglasses. When you wear sunglasses, you hide your soul, and it feels like there's no connection. Like, the whole point of doing video is to build rapport with people so they feel like they connect with you. So when you hide it, it means like you're hiding something. So remember, eye on the camera, because I do it, I know I've done it, but eye on the camera, show confidence, show that you know what you're talking about, show that you understand that like you're building up connection and you're building up that trust. So eye on the camera lens. The other trick to do it is to draw a red dot where the camera is, so then you look right into that little dot. So I hope that helps with your camera and you're building up your videos, because video is a great way to amplify your personality, your brand, and your thinking as well. Good luck, and tag me in your future videos.